afternoon and welcome to Garden Wise Adventures. Today is time for another Plant of the Week video, and this is a wonderful time of year because it's the only time of year that this plant is in bloom. And it's definitely not a plant that you see very often in Utah, but I wanted to show you what it looks like right now. Now if you can see here from even a distance, yes, I do need to bring in more mulch, but this is my tree peony. I wish I could remember the variety that I planted, but I don't remember the name of it. But look at these glorious blooms. They are huge. Let me put my hand here. Sorry, it's on a slope and I'm not very good on slopes these days. But you can see how big that bloom is. Now, tree peonies are a little bit different than regular peonies. Now, tree peonies come on strong stalks that don't die back like regular peonies. As you can see, this one's being weighed down by the weight of the blooms. The blooms of tree peonies are larger than regular peonies, and they are very slow growing. This one is approximately 10 years old, and it didn't do a lot, mostly because I had kids and dogs that would trample it, which, you know, I love the kids and dogs more than I love my flowers, believe it or not. So I didn't complain too much, but it came back every year. Now that my kids are grown up and gone and the dogs have passed on, this tree peony is doing a lot better. Now they will get about 3 or 4 feet tall and wide, and they will be covered by these blooms in the spring. And I think they are absolutely gorgeous. I love the red in the center with the white surrounding it. Now this little skinny peony over here, let me see if I can get a little bit closer so you can see it. This little peony right here, you can see the tiny bud at the top, is a red one. Now I'm thinking that this one is also a tree peony, but it gets trampled every year by something. No matter how careful we are, somebody comes up here and tramples it, and it just keeps coming back one stalk every year. And it has a giant red bloom at the top. Now, tree peonies neither require nor do they like a lot of fussing. They don't like to be in a very wet spot. They also don't like to be truly dry. This tree peony over here gets watered by my drip irrigation system twice a week. I water it deeply about an hour each time. It's never been fertilized. They don't really like a ton of fertilizer, and they really do not like to be pruned, because they bloom on the old wood and they don't die back at the end of the year. So they are absolutely gorgeous. If you can find one, if you can find a suitable space for it, it does like full sun, so if you can find a suitable space for it, go ahead and try a tree peony. I think you will absolutely love it. Until the next adventure, go have a wonderful garden adventure and enjoy your yard.